Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road, guys. My name is George, if you haven't been here before. So today we have a different kind of video for you because I was contacted by this company called Shine Armor, and they wanted me to test out their new graphene ceramic spray. So this isn't a ceramic coating, it's actually used to protect your ceramic coating or your wax or whatever you use. It's like a hydrophobic material on your car, and this actually has hydrophobic properties of its own. So I'm kind of curious to see how it works. As you can see, I took the Jeep wheeling a little bit ago, so I first got to clean it. So I'm going to go over like a little cleaning montage, which is going to be pretty boring. I'm going to keep it really short. This video might be like 5 or 6 minutes, guys. I don't expect this being too long, just because this is kind of simple, and it would be boring if I extend this out way too long. But I'm going to tell you how this works, the instructions, and obviously show you the results. And then it says to sit for 4 hours before you let it expose to the elements, so I'm going to park it in the garage after I finish, and then yeah, so we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so we're almost done with at least the wash portion of this. I kind of take my time washing it. I use a 3-bucket method in case any of you are wondering. So we have hot water in all of them, a grit guard in here, a grit guard in here, and soapy water in here, no grit guard. I need to buy another grit guard, and then there'll be a grit guard in all of them. I might even go to a 4-bucket, but either way, that's my technique. So pressure wash everything off, foam cannon. Let the foam cannon sit for a little bit, then deal with all my buckets of my hand washing, then rinse all of that off with a pressure washer, and then reapply whatever foam cannon I have left, and then rinse that off. And now we're gonna go into a little like quick fake wax that I use. It's not really a fake wax, but it's a quick one. So hold on, I'll explain. So Shine Armor says this can be used in conjunction with your wax, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna spend my time doing a full-on wax. I'm just going to use this H2O Garden Gloss. This particular one is Adams. Turtle Wax sells them. I think Chem Guy sells them. A bunch of people sell them, so brand doesn't really matter. But this is just what I'm doing next. So I'm going to apply this. I'm not going to show you that because it's really freaking boring. You squirt and then you dry the area, and then after that, that's when we're going to go into our Shine Armor. So I think to clarify the difference, so I'm going to Shine Armor the entire Jeep except for the driver's side fender. So what this is going to tell me is the difference. So this is what I'm going to do the test on. I'm going to test the passenger side fender tomorrow and the driver's side fender tomorrow, and we're going to see if there's a difference. I think there will be, because these guys seem pretty confident about it, and the product looks good. So here's the testing it out. Okay, so here's how the Jeep looks with just the H2O Garden Gloss. Now my fenders look like crap, I'm aware. I'm the one who painted them, and they didn't last a winter. It's kind of how it goes when you do stuff yourself sometimes. And now I know, take it to someone to get painted, and I'm swapping out to aluminum, so I'm not too concerned about them, to be quite frank. And I saw a spot I missed, so we're gonna fix that up. But, so I'm gonna let this dry a little bit more than it is right now. You know, let it air dry a bit, and then we're gonna add the graphene spray. So get back to that. All right, so we're about to spray on the Shine Armor graphene ceramic spray. This stuff is super easy to apply, and all you have to do is spray it onto a microfiber, apply it on the area, allow 1 to 2 minutes for it to like dry off, and then buff to a shine, guys. Super simple, and we're gonna get to it. Oh, also full disclosure, this was sent to me and along with 2 microfiber towels by Shine Armor to make this video for free. So full disclosure, I didn't pay for this product, but I'm actually super excited to give this a shot because I've never used something like this, and I'm really excited to see how it works. So as you can tell, the Jeep's all waxed and washed, so everything is gonna get the Shine Armor except for this fender. And that way, tomorrow when we go to test it, I can just put the shine armor on one fender and I won't have to deal with anything. But we're gonna see how this goes. I'm not gonna show you everything, obviously, in the interest of time, because that's gonna get really freaking boring. So I'm gonna apply probably the hood and probably the driver's side fender. And then from there, I'll do everything else off camera. And we'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. So right off the bat, appearance. I think it looks relatively the same. Feel. It feels like glass, to the point where every single small bit of contaminant in the paint I can feel, whereas a wax would hide that. This stuff, it brings it out almost, where I could feel where I didn't clay bar stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm pretty excited to see what the difference is gonna be between the fender and the rest of the vehicle. So tomorrow we're gonna find that out, guys. It looks good, guys. So now let's test the hydrophobic properties of this graphene ceramic spray. I'm kind of excited because it looks good and it feels really freaking good too. So passenger side fender didn't get the treatment. Driver's side fender did get the treatment. I'll tell you right off the bat, there is a huge feel difference in just touching them. So let's see what this looks like. So this is the one with it. So let's see the comparison to just having that little bit of wax. Now, obviously, wax is still hydrophobic, so we'll see. Okay. All right, so you have seen it for yourself now, guys. I'm gonna go apply some on the other fender now, just to make sure it's all evenly distributed. My only real note when it comes to using this product is when you apply, it's honestly kind of difficult to see when you're supposed to buff it off. It's not very obvious, so that takes a little bit to get used to. And I'm still finding spots today that I need to go back with the microfiber and buff up a little bit, but it looks great, it feels great. I'm a fan of this product. I'm definitely a fan of this product. Now that was just a down dirty wash. I didn't go crazy on the detail, and as you can see, a lot of it still looks dirty on the frame side and everything. So like I could have done a way better job washing it, but I got the body clean. That's really kind of what I wanted to do because it was looking bad. But until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, enjoy yourselves. Take it easy.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade.